Won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no pep. Got it, got it, got it, got it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Sha'Kida, and I'm back with another video for you guys. It's actually a makeup video. I know I said I wasn't going to do any makeup videos, but here we are. So I'm going in with this oil first. Like, I was a little proud of my brows, okay? So we're using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Renaissance palette. I know that palette's old, girl. I dug it up, okay? And we're going in the color Realgar. And we're mainly gonna just use this color, no other color, just Realgar. There is one other color that we're gonna use, but it's just to blend out the harsh lines. And what you want to do is just pack this on until you get the intensity that you want. Girl, this is a easy peasy tutorial. You're only using like 2 shades. So you just want to pack this on. And I actually do go in with a flat head brush just to try to intensify it on my lid. I feel like if I would have used like that jumbo pencil and milk and then applied it to my eyes first, this orange would have been popping, okay? But I did blend out the harsh lines. And then I'm going in with burnt orange also, just to blend it out and have like some transition going on. Now I am going in with my eyeliner. I'm using the e.l.f. eyeliner. I have not used any other eyeliner. This has been my go-to, but I haven't worn makeup in like over a month really, so for this like weekend, but I really haven't been wearing makeup, so I feel like I'm pretty trash with eyeliner right now. Like, I gotta reteach myself how to do makeup. Like, yeah, look at that concentration. Like, I just gotta reteach myself. And I still gotta work with this lighting because the color of this orange is just looking very chalky and crazy, but the pics, they speak for themselves, okay? The still pics, yeah. Here I'm adding some lashes. Girl, I've been wearing lashes. You can see I wasn't even using a tweezer, okay? Crazy. And then we are going to take Realgar and we're going to drag that under our eyes, and we're going to put a shimmery gold in our inner corner. Then we're going to do this deep. Okay, we're going to do this deep. We're going to blend. We're going to get this foundation together. Yes, look at that. Girl, yes, blend, honey, blend. Okay, so my camera died and I didn't realize it. And I did go ahead and start adding my concealer. And here I'm just blending it all out. If you guys tune into my last video that I posted, I'll have it up in the cards. I'm pretty much using the same products that I used in that video, and I'm using the same exact technique. And I just love how everything just comes together so flawlessly. Here I'm contouring. Contouring is my favorite thing to do with makeup. Like, I love contouring and I love adding highlighter. Everything else is just like, okay, I'm doing my makeup. But once I get to this contouring, like, I feel like it just brings my whole look together. I just love contouring. Look, don't I like, it's just so much joy. Alright, and I'm just setting my concealer with this loose setting powder. Again, everything will be in the description box down below. Then we're going to go ahead, set that contour, honey. Set it. Ooh, ooh. And then we are going to go ahead and contour our nose. Now, I don't use like a cream concealer for my nose. I just do the powder. And then, girl, I just realized that I did not add primer. Like, I don't know what I was thinking that I forgot to add primer. But we're going to take our face powder and we're going to set this baby. And then we're going to go back into Realgar. And we're going to go ahead and pop Realgar on our bottom lash line. Okay, so we can get that color back popping. Like, hello, hello, hello. Then I'm going to go back in my tear ducts with that gold. And that's from a Tarte palette, but it'll be down below. And then the mascara that I use, this mascara I got from out of my kit when I went to school to be an esthetician. So I don't think they really sell this in stores or anything. And then we're going to pop on the lip color. We're going to pop it on. Yes. This is a NYX pencil in neutral. And then I'm going to take a brown eyebrow pencil because I don't have no brown lip liner no more. I don't know where it's at. And we're just going to put those colors together. And then we're going to set this look. And then I'm going to have two looks, like with this lip color and then just some clear gloss because everybody ain't about this life, you know. And I really didn't like how it looked anyway, but we're going to go in with some highlighter. Yes, honey. Ooh. And then this is pretty much the look, y'all. If you like it, comment, thumbs up this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.